In this session, we are going to study about modified Euler's method. So, in all the methods, we are going to solve or finding the solution for initial value problems. It is of the form dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y with the initial condition y of x naught is equal to y naught. Here we need to find y at x1 is equal to x0 plus h, where h is the step size. That is the difference between two arguments, that is x0 and x1 is h. So that is the next value of x0 is calculated by x1 is equal to x0 plus h. At this point we need y1. So we first obtain y of x1 is equal to y1 by applying Euler's formula. So to find out y1, we use Euler's formula. It is given by y1 of 0. That is the initial solution is denoted as y1 of 0, that is equal to y0 plus step size, that is h into f of x0 comma y0. So the above solution is then, that is this value is then improved by applying the corrected factor as, that is we call that as modified Euler's formula. It is given by y1 of 1, that is the corrected value of y1 of 0 is denoted as y1 of 1. The formula is given by y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 comma y0 plus f of x1 comma y1 of 0. We further repeat the same to get better improvement as, that is to get the better value we denote this as y1 of 2, that is we are repeatedly applying this formula, that is in this iteration y1 of 2 is given by y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 comma y0 plus f of x1 comma replace y1 of 0 by y1 of 1. Okay, similarly in the next iteration y1 of 3 replace y1 of 1 by y1 of 2. So we are going to apply or repeatedly using this formula until we get the desired accuracy. Okay, now see the problem. So here they have given dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y by x, comma y is equal to 2 at x is equal to 1. That is the initial values are x naught is equal to 1 and y naught is equal to 2. Otherwise they can give this as y of 1 is equal to 2. Both are same. So find the approximate value of y at x is equal to 1.4 by taking the step size h is equal to 0.2, applying modified Euler's method. So also find the value of y at x is equal to 1.2 and 1.4. So that is by taking the step size as h is equal to 0.2, that is if we add this length or step size to the x initial value, we will get 1 plus 0.2 is 1.2. First we have to find out y at 1.2. So next we have to calculate y at x is equal to 1.4. So therefore we have to solve, or the problem has to be done in two stages. Okay, so that is we have to calculate y at x is equal to 1.2, and considering that as an initial value we have to calculate y at x is equal to 1.4. See the solution. In the step 1, we consider x0 as 1 and y0 as 2. Okay, so initial value problem in general we denote that as dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. Here f of x comma y is 1 plus y by x and the step size is h is equal to 0.2. So that is we have to calculate y at x1. To calculate x1 the formula is x0 plus h. x0 is 1 and h is 0.2, that is 1.2. So that is we have to calculate y at x is equal to 1.2. Okay, so that is first calculate f of x0 comma y0. Since we are using this in the Euler's formula, first calculate f of x0 comma y0, that is equal to 1 plus y0 by x0. y0 is 2, x0 is 1. Substitute in the formula, you will get 3. Okay, next substitute all these things in the Euler's formula, you will get y1 of 0, that is the initial value, or the for y1 is y1 of 0 is equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y naught. Already we have calculated f of x naught comma y naught, that is equal to 3, y naught is 2, and the step size is 0.2, you will get 2.6. So next we modified this value, or applying corrector factor, we can improve this value by using modified Euler's formula. First write down the formula, that is y1 of 1 is equal to y naught plus h by 2 times f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y1 of 0. Okay, substitute this in. So that is, since f of x comma y is 1 plus y by x, so f of x naught comma y naught is 1 plus y naught by x naught, and also this one is 1 plus y1 of 0 by x1. Substitute the value here, you will get y1 of 1 is equal to 2.6167. Okay, to get the next value, that is y1 of 2, replace y1 of 0 by y1 of 1. y1 of 1 is 2.6167. That is, see the next iteration, that is y1 of 2 is equal to y naught plus h by 2. So in this place substitute y1 of 1 value, you will get 2.6181. Okay, next to improve this value, we calculate, we use one more iteration, that is y1 of 3. So that is, we repeat this process or repeat these iterations until we get the same value. Okay, so that is y naught plus h by 2 f of x naught comma y naught, replace y1 of 1 by y1 of 2 here. So you will get 2.6182. So these two values are almost similar. Therefore, we conclude this value as, that is value of y at 1.2 is 2.6182. Okay, in the step 2, we consider this as an initial value. We are going to calculate y at x is equal to 1.4. That is, we are considering this as an initial value. That is, x naught is 1.2 and y naught is 2.6182. So follow the same procedure. So and h is 0.2. So we have to calculate x1 here. x1 is x naught plus h. Here x naught is 1.2 and h is 0.2. You will get 1.4. Okay. So we need to calculate y1 at x is equal to 1.4. So now calculate f of x naught comma y naught for this. We know that f of x comma y is 1 plus y by x. So that is 1 plus y naught by x naught. Here y naught is 2.6182 and x naught is 1.2. Substitute here, you will get 3.1818. So substitute this in the Euler's formula. So Euler's formula is given by y1 of 0 is equal to y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. So substitute the calculated values here, you will get 3.2546. Okay. So again improve this value by using modified Euler's formula, that is use the formula y1 of 1, y1 of 2 and y1 of 3. So substitute y1 of 0 here, here y1 of 1 and here y1 of 2. Okay. So again once again repeat the process until you get the same answer. Okay. So therefore here you are getting the same value at y1 of 2 and y1 of 3. Therefore we conclude y of 1.4 is equal to 3.2699. So that is approximately 3.27. Initially, we consider this as an initial value. We are going to calculate y at 1.2. In the next step, we are considering 1.2 and 2.6182 as the initial values. We are going to calculate y at 1.4. Therefore, we are calculating the y values at two stages. Okay. Since they have given the step size, we have to calculate y at two stages. Okay. Similarly, see the second problem here. Using modified Euler's method, find y of 0.2 correct to the fourth decimal places, solving the equation dy by dx is equal to x minus y square, and the initial condition is y of 0 is equal to 1, taking h is equal to 0.1. Here also we have to compute y at two stages, that is we have to calculate y at x is equal to 0.1, and considering that as an initial value, we have to calculate y at x is equal to 0.2. Okay. First, that is first find out y of 0.1. by using Euler's formula and modified Euler's formula, and then calculate y at x is equal to zero point 0.2. So that is, in the step 1, consider x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 1. Okay, so that is, first compute y of 0.1 taking h is equal to 0.1. Here function of x comma y is x minus y square. Okay, so that is, first calculate f of x naught comma y naught, that is x naught minus y naught square. You will get 0 minus 1 square, that is minus 1. So next x1 is calculated by using x naught plus h, that is 0 plus zero point 0.1. So x1 is equal to zero point 0.1. So first find out y at 0.1 by using Euler's formula. Y1 of 0 is given by y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. So that is 1 plus zero point 0.1 into the value of this one is minus 1. So that is equal to 0.9. Okay, then we correct this value by using modified Euler's formula. First write down the formula, then substitute the values here. Already we have calculated f of x naught comma y naught, that is equal to minus 1 plus, and this one is, since f of x comma y is x minus y square, f of x1 comma y1 of 0 is x1 minus y1 of 0 whole square. Okay, so y1 of 0 is 0.9. Substitute here, you will get 0.9145. Okay, again we correct this value by using y1 of 2, that is replace y1 of 0 by y1 of 1 year. You will get 0.9132. So once again we correct this value by using y1 of 3. So that is, replace y1 of 1 by y1 of 2 here. You will get 0.9133. Okay, so the previous value is 0.9132 and this one is 0.9133. They are almost same. So therefore we conclude y of zero point 0.1 is equal to 0.9133. Okay, so in the step 2, we consider this as an initial value. We are going to calculate y at x is equal to 0.2. Okay, since they have given step size, we have to calculate at 2 stages. Okay, that is x naught is 0.1 and y naught is 0.9133. So h is 0.1. So we know that f of x naught comma y naught is x naught minus y naught square. Therefore this value is minus 0.77341. So x1 is x naught plus h. Here x naught is 0.1, h is 0.1, that is 0.2. So y1 of 0 is equal to y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. This one is comma. So you will get 0.8399. Okay, so once again we modified this value by using modified Euler's formula, that is y1 of 1 is y naught plus h by 2 times f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y1 of 0. Substitute all the values here, you will get 0.8513. Again, next we correct this value by applying repeated process. You will get 0.8504 and 0.8504. Therefore, finally we conclude y of 0.2 as 0.8504. So that is, you have to calculate up to y1 of 3. That is, repeat the iterations until you get the desired value. Okay. See the assignment problems. Using modified Euler's method, find y at x is equal to 0.2 given dy by dx is equal to 3x plus half into y with y of 0 is equal to 1. Taking h is equal to 0 0.1, perform 3 iterations at each step. Okay, so here x naught is 0 and y naught is 1. So if we calculate x1, so that is x1 is x naught plus h. 0 plus 0.1 is, you will get 0.1. So that is the starting values. We have to calculate y at x is equal to 0.1. Considering that as an initial value, we have to calculate y at x is equal to 0.2. That is, we have to perform 2 iterations. So that is 2. We have to calculate y at 2 stages. Okay. Perform 3 iterations at each step means we have to use modified Euler's formula up to y1 of 3. Okay. So using modified Euler's method to find y of 0.1, given that dy by dx is equal to x square plus y of 0 is equal to 1. So that is x naught is 0, y naught is 1. Here also x1 is equal to x naught plus h, that is 0 plus h is 0.05. You will get x1 is equal to 0.05. You will not get 0.1 in the initial stages. Since h is 0.05, we have to calculate y at x is equal to 0.05. So considering that as an initial value, we have to calculate y at x is equal to 0.1, considering the accuracy up to 2 approximations in each step. So follow the same procedure and solve.